Wala guys, doon na siya. Nakasaman mo.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Beyblade eh. Uy! Tanga! Alright, so good morning guys. It's early Monday morning. It's currently around 4 a.m. So today's destination is Buda. We're gonna pick up some friends along the way. So currently palabas ng bahay. Nag-aantay sila. So I'm gonna pick them up and we're gonna go to Buda. Just early morning breakfast ride, and then may tatambayan konti sa may Buda, cold place, may restaurant din doon, and then we're gonna stay until the afternoon. Alright, so catch you later. Alright, so we're now at Mohicans. Yan po. Alright guys, so we're currently at Mohicans. Nag-order na kami. Gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna proceed to El Campo hanggang mamayang hapon. Ayan po. It's very cold here today. Early morning, it's around 6:40. Still malamig pa. Kakaalis lang actually ng fog guys. Ayan po. Ayan guys, so may dala pala kaming ice cream. Ano yung flavor dyan boss? Open naman. Beyblade eh, guys, so bagay na bagay for this cold weather. Si Kuwate at chocolate. Kasama namin yung aming iPad kid, si Bunso guys.
Tito, give me Robux.
Hihingi ng Robux. Alright guys, so we're done having breakfast. Now pupunta na kami doon sa El Campo. We're gonna stay there until the afternoon. Still pretty much gloomy and cold morning. So, ayan po. Extra rice. Extra rice, katong gringo. 100 na ito. At chocolate. Bay, tugnaw good bay. Iyon ang ulo. Hindi, nakabiblit mo na corona ba? Uy! Uy! Ay, tanaw ang piatos bay. Ni Borod.
Kasi yung gusto na ni Just Wing.
Biblit na ninyong ibuhat.
Lapoy, nakaikit kita yung peanut butter dito ba?
Tarong ba?
Tamay. Mag-ano tabi? Ang bawal siya.
So ayan guys, we're now here at El Campo. Kakaakyat din namin sa kanilang view deck. So maganda talaga yung view dito sa mid view deck nila. So the last time around when I went here, actually wala pa to siya. And also my car couldn't go up kasi medyo pa-uphill siya. So the last time around hindi ako nakaakyat dito kasi hindi kaya nung ni Oka the last time. And then hindi pa ganito, hindi pa inayos talaga yung daan. But right now, as you can see, nakaayos na. But yeah, ang ganda dito ng view. Sobrang lamig. Ayan guys. So this is the view pag andito tayo sa mid view deck. Alright guys, so actually they also have their own parang mga canopies, but syempre kasi ito yung setup ni Monty guys, naka-awning tayo. So ayan po, kaka-setup lang. Sobrang lamig. So let's try and go up dun sa other view deck nila na nasa itaas. Ayan. Ayan. Aakyat kami guys. Let's see what's ayan. Ayan. This is another viewpoint. Ayan. What a view. Views all around guys. Ayan. So as you can see, it's another level overlooking doon yung mid-view deck ng first level rather ng campsite. Yan. Boss, ikaw yung caretaker, boss. Ba't ka
Ay, hindi boss,
natutulog, Alright guys, so update, it's around 1, I think magtuto na. So nag-order na kami ng lunch. We're gonna have lunch and then aalis siguro kami mamaya mga around 5 or 3 or 5 or something. So ayan guys, it's hopefully sana magro-roll in yung fog mga around late afternoon para makapag ano naman tayo, magandang views and time lapse of the fog rolling. Guys, so yan yung food namin. Ito yung mga sandwiches, I think, yung mga ham and cheese and ham and cheese. Sinigang guys. And saan ay alaking?
Alaking.
Alae. Alright, and then chicken fingers. Alright guys, so kakatapos lang ng kain. It's currently drizzling a bit. May dumaan na rain cloud. Actually, starting to fog up a bit, but hindi naman masyado. I think this is just because of the rain. But it's actually getting quite cold. Medyo malamig na talaga. And so everyone's taking shelter muna. Yan. Tulog. Actually the air is very cold. Dala ng ulan. They have this canopy set up. So kapag magte-tent ka, if mag-overnight dito, pwedeng ilagay yung tent dito. So it's around 4 p.m. Time to pack up. Kakatapos lang namin magmuni-muni sa quite windy already. And we see, I think, the rain clouds approaching. Yan. So a lot of rain approaching. Yan. Probably a lot of rain. So we're gonna pack up while we can para hindi masyadong mahirapan. Right, because I didn't bring any rain gear. Dili basi na sa tunga bay. Gakon black ka. Chinese sa Japanese? Ilahin ni. This is the nano ni. Dili. Pero kuha na nakotok ko uno na lang. Pero wala gyapon ton ayo. So actually nagpa-coat ko akong gibuhat. Namay ni baligya sa kuha. Same model mo ana mabutang kuha. Kadong. Alright, so packing up, gonna fix the awning first. Kaya pala. Right, so ito na ay mo Expensive umbrella lang siya ba actually? Ah.
Wala mo gusto. Tol? Wala disco doy.